Hi there, and welcome to this tutorial about Tripetto. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how you can smartly reuse your respondents' answers throughout a form. This so-called piping of answers makes your forms more personal and effective. Let's have a look. For the purpose of this tutorial, we've already prepared two really simple questions. The first is for asking the respondent's name, the second for any hobbies. Once these questions are available, their answers can be used for piping throughout the form. For example, let's say we wish to personally greet respondents by mentioning their name in the help text of our first question. To do so, we'll just type the @ precisely where we need the name. This triggers a menu with all the available answers for piping. In this case, we want to use the respondent's name, so we select the corresponding option in the piping menu, like this. Meanwhile, everything we're building is shown in real time, here on the right. And we can instantly inspect and test the piping logic we've just created. Anything we type in the name field is now instantly shown in the help text below it. Obviously, we can also do this in any upcoming questions. For example, if we wish to pipe the respondent's name somewhere in the next question, we just type the @ exactly where we need the name to appear, and select the desired answer from the menu, like this. And again, you'll see the immediate effect here on the right, because we've already entered our name in the previous question. Now let's have a look at the question about hobbies, because the answers to multiple choice questions are also available for piping. For the purpose of this example, we'll add a help text to this question, to have it show the selected hobbies. Just like in the previous example, we triggered the piping menu by just typing the @ precisely where we want to list the selected hobbies, like this, and we click the corresponding option. By the way, you have probably noticed that we used emojis in the hobby names. But what if we don't want to show these emojis when we're using the answers for piping? To hide them in piping scenarios, we've set a moniker for each hobby, which will only be used when piping the answers. The real-time view, here on the right, will now display the selected hobbies in the help text using the monikers we entered. Last but not least, we'll demonstrate another scenario for piping answers, by adding a follow-up question, to have the respondent give a rating for each hobby he selected. For more information about this particular use of logic, you can have a look at our tutorial on advanced logic. For now, we'll only concentrate on the piping value. So we create the logic we want, and then use the names of the hobbies in the follow-up. Again, we just type the @, which will trigger the piping menu, and then select the question about hobbies. Here, on the right of the screen, we now see the follow-up for each of the selected hobbies, and the right name of the hobby in each question. So, that's how you use piping in Tripetto. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, just contact us through our website. We're happy to help.